Hello friends, how are you? Vladimir here. This is the daily video, 5th of February. Well, one day before non-farm payrolls, the market is, well, a bit quiet, at least at this stage, after some zigzags on the euro from yesterday night. I'm not quite sure a lot of things will happen before the non-farm payrolls, at least one day before. So if the market keeps quiet, maybe it's best to avoid trading. But here are still several directions I believe in. Australian dollar. The way it forms, at least, seems that this convergence and the break of this trend line and the fact it holds, right? It was retesting and holding above, put some bullish pressure on this pair, and I would make it very, very simple and clear. While we will hold above this support area right here, I think the pair should start the rally. I believe we are about to get this at the end. This second. No, I have too many lines. It takes. Right, here we go. Okay, that should be duplicated. We have several resistances on the way to pay attention to. One of them is right here. One of them is a bit higher, and the next one, of course, is this place, massive resistance zone as well. But as I said, I remain bullish in my mind as long as this low holds. Now it could take time, as this is a 4-hour chart, but basically I remain bullish here, and I think New Zealandian dollar will follow while this support stays active as well. That's 0.7290. Same story, we've been breaking the trend line, retested it quickly, and now logically we will see some kind of triangle or whatever it is before it turns up again. According to weekly chart and daily chart and 4-hour chart, we should get it above 0.75 or very close to that, maybe even more, as I said, because the higher we go, the better will be the next sell for these pairs, but a bit tricky. So if we get dips, it's opportunity to buy while we hold above the support. Dollar Canadian is, well, really tricky from my point of view as well. It's trying to break this line, but so far holding. Maybe we can call it even a pattern here, not sure about that. If it managed to break and complete the hold below, it should provide some sell opportunity, but somehow it feels that well, actually to me it feels like we are going to see something here now, probably some move inside here. We have news, non-farm payrolls tomorrow, also news from Canada tomorrow. Both could affect on continuation. Now, according to daily chart, I have no doubt that every rally should be sold, because I think we are going to the last low once again, probably 122 once again, to complete this double move correction, maybe even a bit lower. Hopefully we are going to this trend line. That's the next target. Ideally we would be going all the way to here. It's really, really far. It's really early to judge or make any decision, but it definitely still could turn in reality. So from my point of view, any opportunity of a break of pattern or anything like that should be sell opportunity. As I said, if it breaks the line and holds below the support, we can consider that as actually a call for sell rallies. But best would be if we get some kind of range here now and then break down. It will be much stronger call. Another opportunity I have on the list, of course, is coming from, well, these two combination, Aussie against the Canadian, and well, you can use Fibos here, or you can simply use what I prefer, important support. And this is very strong zone. I think personally we should see the pair stopping a drop here, probably creating a bullish hidden divergence between these two low, and of course you can compare the stochastic and the MACD. From here I believe we should start rallying again. Well, I think we will retest this high once again, but very likely we are going to retest the broken trend line. So I believe, so kind of a drop here, then one more push like ABCD twice to the trend line. So that's where I think this pair is going, while it holds below this well, supportive zone, starting from here going to here. Another buy opportunity, as I said, for this pair. Now we have another interesting things on the list. Euro pound is, well, ranging a bit, right? But it has still a massive support area, and I think we can use that for a possible buy, as we have some kind of 5 moves here. So if we get one more continuation and divergence to be completed, that's the most important thing to say. This divergence has to be completed, and if it does, okay, then we have band to band with half move more, kind of a double bottom here, and 1 hour chart divergence could bring us, at least on short term, some kind of reverse, and that's where I think we can try a buy. In case we have it here, form the divergence as explained, then we can go and try this buy to the middle of the entire move, or ideally to begin the next important rally. Okay. Only if we break below this place, then we are going for new lows, and according to the daily chart and weekly chart, we should get going to, as I said a long time ago, 073, 50, 073, or even lower. That's another opportunity. Now a bit about the oil. They made a correction as we wanted, bouncing right from the trend line. Perfect setup, as you can see right here. Bouncing very beautifully, trend line support. Of course, bullish hidden divergence, no need to introduce it. So if there will be no surprises, we should get continuation. I believe we should cross the 50, probably get closer to 51 or so at the end of this rally, which after that we'll have to stop for a second and reanalyze, try to understand what's going to happen next, as simply it's, well, really important area. Personally, I would not be surprised if we get new highs, which was the main idea when it all started, but we really need to be careful here. Dollar yen, as much as I wanted to deal with that, that's untouchable situation. Probably it will start something after the non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Until then, really better to avoid it. And one last, that's the euro dollar, which suddenly wakes up as well. I personally think there is more to go, and the best way to deal with such thing, as it holds this trend line suddenly after the drop yesterday, right, would be now simply to find some kind of convincing channel, convincing pattern, could be triangle or anything, moving some inside, and then with the break, I think it should be a buy. Only break below this trend line would switch my view probably to bearish. And basically that's all, because for pound dollar I'm, well, a bit skeptic right now. I think this pair is going to continue higher, much higher, but first of all, at least the way I see that, it should bring us back to in between 152 down to 151. There I believe this correction we should get going and creating some bullish divergence after that, and well, after that I believe it will take us to new highs, new important highs. So that's pretty much all. Does it worth to go for a sell here? No, because we don't know where the correction is about to begin from, so careful here. Okay, so basically that's all. That's the opportunities we have for today. Again, trade it very carefully. Don't take big risks. Keep it small risk, simply because tomorrow is on from payrolls. Okay? And why why to over risk, right? So that's basically all. That's the things we are going with. Oil is the main one. Dollar Canadian could be great opportunity as well. Aussie dollar and Aussie Canadian could be interesting opportunities, and then all the other things we discussed about. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I wish you wonderful trading. And tomorrow there is no daily video, simply because non-farm payrolls, nothing to do before. So I'll see you again with the weekly forecast right on the weekend. So once again, thank you for watching and wonderful day. Bye for now.